Good afternoon, everyone. I've been attending the function here today. It's a very, very, very important occasion that we have attended, and the atmosphere was very gloomy and friendly. Hospitality of the people here at the kingdom. We really appreciate your hospitality. We want to say that let this not be the last, the first or the last event. Let us come together more often, and let us build from here onwards, facing or approaching 2026. What have been very important, as I stated earlier on, is that the decolonization or decriminalization, let me rather say, of cannabis, and what we've heard out of the report that came out is that there's gonna be light at the end of the tunnel, at the end of the day, because really we have a lot of people behind bars with petty crime, and it's high time that the government must look at those things and not keep them incarcerated, but let them, most of the people doing petty crime, that they must do community services in our communities and be rehabilitated. So this was a wonderful moment for us here, just to have a dialogue and come together and talk about the developments within our country.